So here's my $110 pool heater. There's a little 1/2 horsepower pump, some 3/4 inch hose. I've got 400 feet of hose up on the roof. The pool is 10,000 gallons. Yesterday I ran the pump for about 8 hours and the temperature went up from 78 to 82. The average temperature of the water coming out of the hose was 97. It was maybe 80, 85 in the morning, 85 in the evening at dinner time, and at lunchtime it was 102. So the pool temperature went from 78 to 82, so today I'm hoping it goes from 82 up to 86. And then I'll stop running the pump. If we go swimming, I'd have to take the pump out because it's 220 volts and you don't want to mess with that stuff. So that's it. The pump was 50 bucks, the hose was 60. Cheap, works great.